Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called Antonette's Vignettes, and that's hosted by Decoratingantsplace. So the co-host of this collab is Oh So Shabby Chic, and that's with Annie. So the theme for this month is Oh So Shabby Chic. Isn't that cool? So for this DIY, I decided to decoupage that floral print over one of the clear plates that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, along with some Mod Podge and some florals. We're also going to be embellishing with some pearls. So let me show you how that's going to come out. So now over the top of the plate, I decided to make a swag with those florals and then put the two roses right in the center. And I thought that came out absolutely beautiful. So I just want to let you know that I'm going to link below the host and the co-host channel along with the playlist. So don't forget to full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist so that you can get ideas for decorating your vignette. Now here along the edge of the plate on both sides, I decided to hot glue some pearls, and I thought that gave it that shabby chic look. It looks so beautiful and so feminine. I absolutely love it. So I fell in love with some stickers that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I thought that would be perfect for this specific occasion. So we're going to be using that and then finish off embellishing this plate so that we can move on to the display. I am absolutely loving the end result of this, so let's move on to the vignette. I want to take a moment and thank Decorating Ants Place for hosting this collab, along with her co-host, Annie from Oh So Shabby Chic. I had an awesome time with this video, so let's continue watching. Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.